Gina from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I have another subscription box for you that I have not opened yet or ever received yet, actually. It's a brand new subscription box. It's from a site called Czech Beads Exclusive.com, and I saw on their newsletter a couple weeks ago that they were starting a brand new subscription box. So I decided I would give it a try and let you guys see the first unboxing that I do at the same time as I'm opening it, and we can decide, you know, what we like, what we don't like, if it's worth the money, that sort of thing. So let's see what we got. It came in this mailer, and all I did was actually cut this open just now, and I haven't even opened the box yet. So you see there on the box that was inside the mailer, the website czechbeadsexclusive.com/box, so that's where you can go to find out more. And I won't read through all the bullet points on the website of what's inside, but I will tell you that you're supposed to get quite a few different shapes and finishes in the Czech glass variety, and it's $22 per month, and the shipping is $4 and $4.47. So for $26.47, you can get a box of beading goodies, and you're supposed to also get some findings and other things. But let's open the box and see what's in there. I'm really excited to find out because I have no idea. I have not seen anyone else do any unboxings of this, and they haven't shared exactly what's going to be in their box either, so this should be brand new for most people. So let's take a look. Alright. So you have their card, and I love that they have the different sizes on the back of their card. That makes you, you know, in general, people want to keep that if it's got some useful information on it, so that's kind of handy to have as a reference of what the different size beads look like. And we have a little paper in here. Please post your reviews and new creations from Czech Beads Exclusive, and they have a hashtag. The theme of the box is called Juicy Fruit, so we'll see what that includes. Looks like they've got all the contents here. And it looks like there's 14 different items, so that's really good. I'm glad to see that there's going to be a large variety. Okay, put these over here. Alright. Was kind of hoping right off the bat that there was going to be more in the box. I'm not going to lie. For $26, you know, I subscribe to quite a few subscription boxes, and you know, just that's my first impression, but we'll see. I'm not gonna rule it out right now. Alright, so let's go down the list. Number 1 says rare yellow apricot Czech glass beads, and I'm not sure if they have things labeled, so bear with me. I'm thinking it's these. So, you know, I do see the fact that they may be including things that are definitely different or rare. That could be a plus for a lot of people. So you can use your judgment and decide once we get through all these items. So I'm thinking these are the yellow apricot Czech glass beads, which they're cool. They're very interesting, very bright. So I'll open that up for you. It's neat. But you only get 3. Okay, the next item, rare green pear Czech glass beads, which would be these. So, looks like they're kind of similar. Chunky glass green pears, glossy finish with a painted yellow accent, and the holes going up and down through that way, which hopefully, see that? Hopefully that's not painted shut. So, I don't know, I guess we'll see. Maybe easily poke a pin through it or something. Alright. Not really something I'm thrilled about so far, but let's keep going. Okay, the third item, white fire polish faceted round Czech glass beads, 10mm. Okay, so that's these right here. Basic 10mm faceted rounds in white, which they're very pretty. I mean, you only get 5 beads. I mean, it's just not many beads that I'm seeing so far. For $26, I feel like I get more bang for my buck in some of the other subscription boxes, but those are pretty. I don't know, it's really doing it justice. The next item says Yellow AB Rose Petal Czech Glass Beads. Rose Petal Czech Glass Beads. Okay. If it's these right here. And they do have product codes on each one, but it would really be nice if they had the bags either numbered or if they were labeled with what was inside. Just a suggestion, maybe for future bags. So, let's see. We may decide that these are actually something else, but for now, that's kind of what I'm thinking these are. They're really cool with the finish. You know, it's got that AB finish on one side, and it's a nice bright yellow on the other side. It's kind of transparent. Really different shape. So there's one hole, kind of at the top there. Okay. Can definitely see these bright colors kind of play into their juicy fruit theme. Okay, the next item is number 5, Crystal Green Large Leaf Czech Glass Beads. Okay, and that's got to be these. Those are very cool. And they are quite large. Those are pretty neat. Like the shape. Nice quality. Alright, number 6 is called Yellow Cracked Round Czech Glass Beads, 10mm. Okay, that's these right here. And again, there's only 4. It's not looking like you get much bang for your buck in this box. Okay, so those are the, what is it called? Yellow Cracked Round Czech Glass. Alright. And then the next one is number 7, Crystal AB Pinch Czech Glass Beads. I do like pinch beads. These are little pinch beads. Okay. So these are smaller than other pinch beads that I have. It doesn't list the size, but they're just Crystal AB. Just moving them around so you can get an idea of the finish. Very pretty. The next item is called Matubo 7.0 Czech Glass Seed Beads. Matubo. And it doesn't list a color, but they're 7.0. So that's these right here, which they're very pretty. They're a larger seed bead, the 7.0. I won't take these out. I think you get a good idea of what they look like. Variegated color, finish, golds and maroons and purples and greens kind of thing. That. Okay. And number 9, called Loula Czech Glass Seed Beads. And then number 10 says the same thing, actually, Loula Czech Glass Seed Beads. And I know that the Loula beads are these little 2-hole beads right here. And I'm not sure if they don't list the color because everybody's getting random colors or different colors. And they're just putting what they are. So unfortunately I can't tell you what colors these are. But I will say it's nice to have some 2-hole beads. I haven't worked with these before. So these are new to me, and I love pink. I think they're both very pretty, and I like that they could possibly coordinate in a project. So, not shiny or anything. They're just a very, I wouldn't even call them matte. They just look painted. So, not super shiny or anything. But not matte. So that's the Loula beads. And then 11 and 12 are also the same listing. They're called New Tutti Frutti Matubo 11-0 Czech Seed Beads. Okay, so that would be this one and this one. So they have almost a pearlescent finish to them, which is nice. And they're two beautiful bright colors. But again, I mean, it's just not very many beads. I would have liked a little bit more for my money. And, you know, that's just my personal opinion. You know, you make that decision on your own. But I'm just trying to give you my very honest opinion on this. Is the very first time I've seen anything in one of these boxes before. So these are just my first impressions. But they're still very beautiful, the beads that they sent. And then 13, Antique Silver Star and Sun Charms, which are these, and they're very cute. Very, very cute. Take them out. So there you go. These are pretty adorable. Okay. And that already brings us to our very last item, which says handmade Czech glass button. Okay. Czech glass button, which is this guy. Let's see what it has on the front. I have no idea. Okay, so beautiful dragonfly button. Dragonflies aren't really my thing, so I'll probably include this in my giveaway stash. I will be having a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I know that there's plenty of you who think this is beautiful. It is beautiful, but who would love to have it, so I will be including this, just so you know. I'll be including quite a few things from some past subscription boxes and some going forward, so I'm sure that a lot of you would be very excited to win this, because it is very cool. It's just not me, and not everything fits everybody's personality and what they like to use, and that's okay. That's what makes life fun. You don't want everybody to be into the exact same thing. That'd be boring. Alright guys, well, I have to say I wanted to be more excited about this box. I was kind of hoping for more. You know, I was very excited that this was coming directly from the Czech Republic, so there's a lot of excitement there. I do like what they sent me. I just wish there was more. I wish that I felt like I got more bang for my buck with this box, but I just didn't. I felt like the quantities were a little low, and I would have liked to see either the quantities they sent, you know, with these items and more little baggies of items, or just more of what they sent. But, you know, like I said, that's my personal opinion. I hope this helped you guys out to decide for yourselves if you would like to sign up for this subscription box or not. I'm not affiliated at all with Czech Beads Exclusive. I just thought this would be fun to unbox on camera for everybody who is into beads and things like that. And I just want to say one other thing. when I was looking on their website to subscribe, I do believe that it said that they would be including other findings and jewelry making items, such as like cord and clasps and other findings that some of the other subscription boxes send, and I don't have that information in front of me. It's just kind of, something that I remember reading, and so I guess that's would be nice too. Maybe as a suggestion is that they could include some other jewelry making items and findings and cords or chain, things like that to bulk it up, and that would be really cool. Well, you guys, let me know what you thought in the comments, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'd love to hear from you, even if you just want to stop by and say hello. But thanks for being with me, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!